fertilizer breath. Oh. 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 Oh.
Recycling finished? Huh? Tierra del Fuego!
Food gone! Crunch win!
Every time I saw something as corny as this, Ben Riceburger was wearing it.
Ow! That's my fuzz!
Sorry!
We're gonna pig out on all this party food and take Marco Polo to the next level! Just the game, then.
Soapy aftertaste. Crunch and press.
Would sir like gassy or still water?
Crunch go gassy. Bubble, bubble, crunch in trouble. Banana better.
Not a monster in sight.
I'm thinking if we don't see it outside, is it because the monster might be inside?
Phew-wee.
Ay, caliente! The smell, she burned my nostrils.
Oh, whoa, that's bad!
Sorry, Crunch still digesting last one.
But only you can save us, Crunch! Open wide! Burp!
Not again!
No, Crunch eat anything except Riceburger red berries.
Nice shot, David.
Thanks, I have a gift.
Well, at least Crunch hasn't done it in a while.
Oh, feel better. Whoa, that's spicy! Thank you.
Ubu have idea. Crunch this. Crunch.
Here, you can't talk if you're eating.
Yum.
Crunch. Squish in more. Right now. Keep Stinky in.
Uh-oh! Big Stinky coming! Always eat! Yum!
No!
Uh-oh!
Please, no more! Oh. 3.
Thirsty! Crunch has superpower! Super Belt!
That was repulsive and repulsive.
Crunchman learn best superpower is having friends. Also, last belch came out both ends.
Crunch, that berry is the result of a highly experimental slurry. Who knows what the side effects could be? Crunch, you're supposed to be learning how to relax.
Crunch very relaxed.
To me like that. And no, Ubo, I don't have amnesia. I just feel weird.
Could do with big bump on head.
My public loved my chili pepper gâteau. It sold like hotcakes. And so far, there are no side effects. Of course he's okay. He's the woolly power behind the throne of culinary excellence. Right, Miss Cronchella?
Crunch.
Let's get this vital evidence back to the lab.